2, 1, action.
Hi Tasha, I'm Taylor and I'm going to be your occupational therapist today. So today we're going to just do this quick questionnaire, okay? It's pretty quick, so could you answer these questions for me? So in the last 3 months, when is the last time you prepared a meal? 0 being never, 1 is less than once a week, 2 is 1 to 2 times a week, and 3 is most days.
I cook pretty much all the time, so most days.
Okay. And then the last 3 months, when is the last time how often do you wash the dishes after meals?
Pretty often, so I'd say every day.
Okay. Okay, so now it's just a change in the scale. I'm going to ask you some questions, but 0 is never, 1 is 1 to 2 times a week, 2 is 3 to 12 times, and within the last 6 months, and 3 is weekly. Okay?
Okay.
So washing clothes.
I do that weekly.
Okay. Light housework like dusting or just wiping off a counter.
I do that 2 to 3 times a week.
Okay, what about heavy housework like vacuuming or mopping?
Once a week.
Okay, what about local shopping?
That's also once a week.
What about social occasions like church, partying with your friends?
I go to church every Sunday.
So weekly?
Mm-hmm.
What about walking outside for 15 minutes or more?
To walk to the metro. That's like every day.
Every day? Okay.
Yeah.
Getting your steps in. What about actively pursuing a hobby? Do you have any hobbies? How often would you do that?
Not really. Not in the last 3 months.
Okay. What about driving a car or getting on a bus?
I would say once a week.
Okay. So now I'm going to ask you questions, but this time I'm asking for the past 6 months, okay?
Okay.
So traveling outside a car ride, 0 being never, 1 is being 1 to 2 times, 3 is 3 to 12 times, 2 is 3 to 12 times, and 3 is weekly.
I'd say a 2.
Okay. What about gardening? 0 being never, 1 being light, 2 being occasional weeding. 1 is light and occasional weeding, 2 is regular weeding, 3 is heavily weeding, like digging or like raking leaves.
I don't garden.
Okay. Okay, what about household maintenance? 0 being never, 1 being repairing small items like a light bulb, 2 being moderate like spring cleaning, putting up pictures, and 3 being painting, decorating, household maintenance.
I'd say a 1.
Okay, what about reading books? How often do you read books in the past 6 months? 0 being none, 1 being the past 6 months, 2 being 1 to 2 weeks, 3 being more than once every 2 weeks.
I'd say a 2.
Okay. And what about getting paid for work in the past 6 months? So this is the only work that you actually got paid for. 0 being never, 1 being up to 10 hours per week, 2 being 10 to 30 hours per week, and 3 being over 30 hours per week.
Up to 10 hours.
Okay, so I'm just going to do some quick math really quick and total up your score. Okay. Okay, you scored 41 out of 45, which is pretty good. Okay, so class. This assessment, it does not show how successful the individual is, but it shows how often the individual does the activities. The assessment is designed for individuals who suffered a stroke. The age range is from 18 to 65 years old. So basically with this assessment, you just want to compare scores so you can check it 3 months and then at 6 months you could check it to just see how well they're doing these activities and how independently they're doing the activities. And so you just want to see the difference between the two months.